So we just picked up a mooring after running this 45 Axopar BRABUS Power Edition to do this walkthrough tour to show you all the benefits of this 45 Axopar that we have for sale. And I've got to say, just the performance of this boat is incredible. Cruising at 30 knots, the engines are in the low 4,000 RPM range, getting 0.8 nautical miles per gallon, giving you about a 260 nautical mile range at that speed. And whether you're doing 22 knots or 32 knots, your fuel economy stays the same on this boat, which is just wild. And then if you spool the engines up to high RPM, about 5,000, you're doing 40 knots. In wide open throttle, you're hitting 50 knots on this boat. It's just, the performance is incredible. But let's go on and have a closer look about the other benefits of this 45 Axopar. But right now we are in underway mode on the boat. What I mean by that is we've had the front doors slid open on the 45. We have this sliding pedestal here shifted a little bit further aft. Your guests have a nice leaning position here. You can sit down here. If you have a bunch of people on board the boat, they can still, you have more people that can face forward and feel like they are a part of the adventure while underway. And also with this slid a little bit further aft, you have a nice, more intimate seating area. But we've just got to the mooring and I want to show you guys what it's like to be more in sort of a lounging mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just push this button here and slide this pedestal forward, which gives us a little bit better of a walkway here. You also have the ability to just spin this tabletop around here as well. This has some leads that can come out, so while people are hanging out down here, they've got a nice table within close reach. But I've just created this awesome flow around the boat here. Another mode that we like to get on while you're in lounging mode is you close these doors here and then you open up the aft doors, dropping these side gunnels as well. I love these side gunnels because they're manual, so very reliable, won't break, and this creates a really nice seating area as well. So now you've created this wonderful seating area. Let's go ahead and shift this starboard side door forward as well. These are big doors, but on nice rollers, so it's not a big deal to move them forward. And we'll go ahead and we'll drop this gate down as well. So we are nicely set up in lounging mode here. You have refrigerator on this side, refrigerator on this side, and you've just got great flow all throughout the boat with this setup. Now let's go take a look aft and see what this U-shaped seating is all about. Nice, wide and tall gunnels walking all the way aft. You feel super safe and secure, and you now have entered this aft U-shaped lounging space. This is a wonderful space for alfresco dining. Back here, you're also nice and out of the breeze. You're a little bit protected by the pilot house here. Your napkins won't fly around as much when you're sitting back here while you're sitting on a mooring. And you could sit 6 people back in here easily, very comfortable. In addition to, you have these cushions here, so you can have more folks just sitting, lounging up on the gunnels as well. You have good storage lockers, just you need a place to put fenders and dock lines and whatnot, so that's really convenient right back here. And then off to starboard, this is where you have a bit more going on here. You've got a wet bar set up here, so this is a sink, grill, and then more refrigeration space here. Pretty nice setup. And with the U-shape, you also have really great storage. You have storage underneath each one of these lockers here. You have storage access right here, pretty clever. And same with the other side, and also storage underneath this table as well. So you have plenty of space to put all your water toys, extra gear. But now let's go forward and look at the lounging space. So in the pilot house, you can seat 12 people. Aft, you can sit 6 people around the U-shape and a couple of people on the line lockers. And up forward here, you can sit a couple more people sitting here on the lounger. Super comfortable place to just hang out. What an awesome place to sit while underway too. In addition to your access to your anchor locker, which I'll show you here real quick, which has just great storage underneath here. So the amount of different social and living spaces that you have aboard this boat is fantastic. And we haven't even gotten down below yet. And since we're up here in the bow, might as well take a look at some more seating and hangout space down below in here. So down below here, you have another wonderful seating area as well. You've got this seat back here. This is a nice place to sit and lounge as well. You're a little bit more in the protection of the hardtop here, so it's nice and quiet. You feel a little bit more private. You can even sit and more lounge if you wanted to back in here. So if you needed to take a phone call, do something on the desk with a computer or whatnot, you could certainly do that. But when you wanted to switch over to overnight mode, all you need to do is just flip this back, and this turns into a nice full-length berth as well. Head is just back here. I'm 6 foot tall, so I have full standing headroom up here. I have a few inches above my head, and this is a nice, you have a little wand shower back in here, freshwater, electric, protect my head, everything you need, some storage behind the mirrors and whatnot. So this is a great setup for both cruising and day boating. You also have a little storage in this locker here, where you'll have some electrical componentry, in addition to some storage underneath here. So here at the Helm, Axopar just totally nails the ergonomics of these boats. You got dual screens sort of recessed in here. You don't have these screens kind of impairing your view while underway. So you can just take a nice look down, have great visibility of your screens. You have a third screen here as well, joystick system. And with this particular 45, you also have your trim tab controls right here at the helm, and you can control your stereo as well, along with your bow thruster. So you have quite a bit of controls just without having to take your hand off of the wheel, and just incredible performance. Just cannot speak highly enough of just how amazing this boat runs while underway. It is just an animal. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough tour of this 45 Axopar. If you have any questions for us, please do feel free to reach out using the information below this video.